Morning, guys. I was seeing who comes to visit me in the morning to eat the nuts. I put out raw peanuts. Oh, another one. We got lots of visitors this morning. Oh, he's like, what do you want me to do with this peanut? I put a little pile out for them so they wouldn't fight all the time. But I don't know if that's going to help. I have a plethora of birds. Is that the right word to use? Plethora? I don't think so, but a variety. Everyone's happy. God bless you all. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks. Ciao.